How to make aesthetic tables in Google Docs using round edges. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, we have to make a table, normal table like this. After we have done it, what you have to do is select the table and then make it colorful. Add some border colors and increase the width of the table using these. And you can also change style from here, from color like this, and increase the width. Then select the cell background color in each cell, apply it to each cell like this. Like you can make it like this. Now in order to make it round, go to insert, go to drawing, tap on new, and then you will have to go to shapes and select these, make it like this, tap on here, and then you have to insert it over here, increase its size, and done. So you will be able to make it. So that's how you do it. You also have to change the color of the cells to match the cell in your table, and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.